Good morning, students. Welcome to you all in bio class. Today we are going to discuss assertion reason type questions. Assertion reason type. Questions consist of two statement, assertion and reasons. First option given होती है आपको both assertion and reasons are true and reason is correct explanation of assertion. Second, both assertion reason are true and reason is not correct explanation of assertion. Third option में given होती है assertion is true but reason is false. D option, assertion is wrong but reason is right. Assertion is false but reason is true statement. एक क्वेश्चंस में आपको टू स्टेटमेंट्स गिवन होती हैं, assertion and reasons. ठीक है, और आपने ये बताना है कि उसमें assertion reason दोनों ट्रू है और reason is a correct explanation of assertion. सेकेंड ऑप्शन आपके पास होती है कि both assertion and reasons are true and reason is correct explanation of assertion. थर्ड, assertion is true but reason is false and D option आपको given होती है assertion is wrong but reason is right. Okay. First assertion statement, mitochondria and chloroplasts are semi-autonomous organelles. Okay. And the reason, they are formed by division of pre-existing organelles and contain DNA but lack protein synthesizing machineries. असर्शन में क्या गिवन है, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया एंड क्लोरोप्लास्ट जो है वो सेमी ऑटोनोमस ऑर्गेनल्स हैं. रीजन, दे आर फॉर्म्ड बाय डिवीजन ऑफ प्री एग्जिस्टिंग ऑर्गेनल्स एंड कंटेन डीएनए बट लैक प्रोटीन सिंथेसाइजिंग मशीनरीज. प्रोटीन सिंथेसाइज कौन करता है आप सबको पता है? यस, श्रेय थापर.
Yes, ma'am. The assertion is true, but the reason is false.
Right. Assertion इसमें
because
right है.
they can make their own some of their own proteins. They can make it.
Okay. Assertion क्या है इसमें? True और reason क्या है? False statement है. मतलब कौन सी ऑप्शन आपकी ठीक है? C ऑप्शन. आप क्या लिखोगे? C ऑप्शन. Assertion true and reason false. Okay. Good. Next assertion, the cell membrane is an active part of cell. It regulates the movement of materials between cell and outer environment. Cell membrane is an active part of cell. It regulates the movement of materials between cell and outer environment. Okay. Reason is इसमें, in plant cell, a cell wall composed mainly of cellulose and is located inside the cell membrane. The presence of cell wall enables a cell of plants, fungi and bacteria to exist in a hypotonic medium without bursting. Yes. Mankirat of 9th red, roll number 25.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good
Both
morning.
the assertion and reason are true.
No. Reason में देखिए बेटे क्या लिखा है, a cell wall is composed of cellulose and is located inside the cell membrane. Cell wall कहाँ होती है? Sir, unmute the Mankirat.
Yes, ma'am.
Cell wall is outside the cell membrane.
Then?
Yes. Assertion is true, reason is false.
Right. Assertion क्या है? Right है और reason क्या है? Wrong है. Right बच्चे. Yes. Next assertion, plant cell have large central vacuoles that helps to maintain the turgidity of the cell and store important substances including the wastes. Reason है, prokaryotic cells have no membrane bound organelles. Their chromosomes are composed of only nucleic acid and they have only very small ribosomes as organelles. Assertion में क्या given है कि plant cell have large central vacuole that helps to maintain turgidity of the cell and store the important substances. Reason में क्या लिखा है? Prokaryotic cells have no membrane bound organelles and their chromosomes are composed of only nucleic acids and there are small ribosomes. Yes. Pratham Kumar, roll number 33 of 9th red.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning.
Ma'am, the assertion is false, but the reason is true.
Assertion wrong. Why? बेटे assertion correct है और reason भी correct है. Both assertion and reasons are true, but reason is not correct explanation of assertion. B option आप टिक करोगे इसमें. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Next is assertion, the endoplasmic reticulum function as channels for transport between various regions of cytoplasm or between the cytoplasm and nucleus. And reason, Golgi apparatus consists of stack of membrane bound vesicles that function in storage modification of substance manufactured in the cell. Yes. Salil Manan, roll number 15, 9th blue.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's both assertion and reason are true, but the reason is not correct explanation of assertion.
Right. Both assertion and reasons are true, but reason is a not correct explanation of assertion. Yes. Next is assertion क्या given है? The fundamental unit of life is cell. The fundamental unit of life is cell. And reason given है, the cells are enclosed by plasma membrane composed of lipids and proteins. Assertion क्या given है? The fundamental unit of life is cell. और reason क्या given है? The cells are enclosed by plasma membrane composed of lipids and proteins. Himanshi Prabhakar, roll number 12 of 9th blue. Himanshi.
Himanshu, yes. Please, beta.
First one is false and second reason is true.
Narinder Kaur.
Yes, so good morning, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, both the assertion and reason is correct, but the reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion.
Right. Both assertion and reasons are correct, but reason is not correct explanation of assertion. Next assertion, most plant cells have large membrane organelles known as plastids, which are of two types, chromoplast and leucoplast. Or reason है, chromoplasts that contain chlorophyll are known as leucoplast and they perform photosynthesis. Ishita, 9th red, roll number 23.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, both assertion and reason are incorrect.
Yes. तो assertion तो correct है इसमें.
So, assertion is correct. Reason is incorrect.
हाँ, reason wrong है बेटे. assertion क्या है? राइट है. ओके. नेक्स्ट आपने बताना है फिगर किसकी. आइडेंटिफाई द फिगर एंड लेबल एक्स एंड वाई. यस. सिद्धिमा 9th ब्लू रोल नंबर. यस सिद्धिमा. यस अंशिका.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, figure is nucleus and X is nucleus and Y is chromatin material.
राइट. ये फिगर किसकी है. इट्स ऑफ न्यूक्लियस. न्यूक्लियस एंड इन न्यूक्लियस एक्स क्या है. न्यूक्लियोलस एंड वाई क्रोमेटिन मटेरियल. ओके. यस. रिजुल. Did you read the statement?
Label W and X. B part, what is the covering membrane of X known as? Which one takes part in storage, modification and packaging of various products?
Yes. Answer. Is Golgi apparatus. And X क्या है. Vacuum. Now, what is the covering membrane of X? Covering membrane of X. Okay, Sirjan.
Covering membrane is tonoplast.
Right. Its answer is tonoplast. And which one takes part in storage and modification? Yes, Sirjan.
Golgi apparatus.
Yes, Sirjan, right. Golgi apparatus. Yes. Make this flow chart in your notebook and fill it. Hurry up. Yes, complete this flow chart. Yes. यहाँ पे सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स का फ्लो चार्ट गिवन है आपको. एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम हैज क्रोमोसोम अटैच्ड टू द मेम्ब्रेन. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा बच्चे. ए पे. यस रवनूर कौर.
Ma'am, rough endoplasmic reticulum.
रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. राइट. RER. No ribosome attached to the membrane of endoplasmic reticulum. एक नूर.
Ma'am, smooth endoplasmic reticulum.
Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Right. Then Sirjan Kaur. It produces rough endoplasmic proteins. सलील मनन. स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम क्या प्रोड्यूस करता है.
Ma'am, lipids.
Right, lipids. रिजुल, यहाँ पे क्या होगा? ई पे पैकेजिंग ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स बाय
Golgi apparatus.
Golgi apparatus, right? Then mitochondria produce ATP known as Sachidat,
Yes, ma'am. Powerhouse of the cell.
powerhouse of cell. Then Vanshdugal have their own
DNA
DNA
and ribosomes.
ribosomes, right? Then suicidal bag of cell. कशिश जी आप आंसर दीजिए. कशिश.
Lysosome.
Very good, very intelligent class. Then plastids not present in Singh. Siddhima,
Ma'am, animal cell.
not present in animal cells, but present in plant cells. Next, Pratham Kumar, storage sac for the solid or liquid contents.
Ma'am, vacuoles.
Right. Complete this flow chart in your notebook. Next, Parneet, 9th blue, roll number 5. Read the statement and give the answer.
Name the longest cell of human body. Nerve cell.
Nerve cell. Right. Next, Narinder Kaur.
Yes, ma'am. Name the organelle which maintains the turgidity and rigidity of mature cells. Answer is vacuole.
Organelles which maintain turgidity and rigidity of plant cell. Answer है इसका vacuole. Right. Next. Prabh Meher.
Name the cell organelle which is generally small sized in animal cells and large in plant cells. Answer is vacuoles.
Right. Very intelligent बच्चे. Small sized in animal cell and large in plant cell. Answer क्या है इसका? Vacuole. Now next turn है Harshit. Roll number 44, 9th red.
Which structure do the cork cell resemble as chambers? Small chambers, which Robert Hooke termed as cells.
Sachit Dutt, read the statement and give the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Define cell. What does it mean in Latin?
Which structure?
Which structure do the cork cells resemble as observed by Robert Hooke? They resemble the structure of a honeycomb.
Right. Next, Priyanka Vora of 9th red. Define cell. Yes, Priyanka.
Cell is the structure and functional unit of life.
Cell is
It's
structure and functional unit of life, right?
It's Latin mean in a room.
Little room.
Room.
Okay. Now next, Ridya Sharma.
Name the smallest known cell. The smallest known cell is PPLO.
PPLO. What is the full form of PPLO? Yes. Note down the full form of PPLO. Form of RNA, DNA and ATP. What is the full form of RNA, DNA and ATP? Full form of RNA, DNA and ATP. Yes. Kashish. Full form of RNA and DNA.
Full form of DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. The full form of ATP is adenosine triphosphate, and the full form of RNA is
Ribonucleic acid. DNA deoxyribonucleic acid, ATP adenosine triphosphate. Okay. Next. Pratham Kumar, read the statement and give the answer. Pratham Kumar.
Yes, ma'am. What is the chemical composition of cell wall in plants and fungi respectively? Ma'am, in fungi it's chitin.
Right. Very good.
Ma'am, in plants it's peptomycin.
Cellulose.
Cellulose.
In plants, cellulose, and in fungi, chitin. Next. Shri Thapar.
Yes, ma'am. Nucleoid is the genetic material without membrane present in the bacteria.
Right. Next. Siddhima. Name the cell organelle without membrane. Without membrane. Yes, नरेंद्र कौर आप आंसर दे दीजिए.
Ma'am, ribosomes.
Ribosomes, right. The organelle without membrane कौन सा है? Ribosome. Next. Mankirat Kaur. What is the role of smooth endoplasmic reticulum in liver cell of vertebrates? Role of smooth endoplasmic reticulum in the liver cell.
It detoxifies many poisons and drugs.
It
Liver cell.
detoxifies, yes, poisons and drugs. Very good. Why endoplasmic reticulum is known as transporting channels of cell? Yes, Siddhiman. Harshit.
Ma'am, endoplasmic reticulum is called as the transporting channel of the channels of the cell because they allows the movement between the cytoplasm and
Salir Manan, same.
They are called the channel of the transporting channels of the cell because they transport the materials from cytoplasm to nucleus and nucleus to cytoplasm.